Be 2 weeks ready. Water Plan, Activity 15. Follow along on Toolkit, page 68.
Activity 15. Learn how to boil water by using common methods. Boiling water is a highly effective way to make it safe to drink. Boiling water may seem like a basic task, but it could be much harder when a disaster occurs and you're without indoor electricity or natural gas. Boiling water requires very little equipment and can be done rather quickly. After a disaster, all water for drinking, food preparation, and hygiene must be boiled if it's not sealed, store-bought, or already pre-treated. This activity will help you practice how to boil water by using common methods, such as using a camping stove, barbecue grill, propane-fired outdoor gas grill, or campfire. Boiling water means heat will be involved, so extra caution should be given to handling hot cookware and being near an open fire. Use kitchen hot pads, a thermal oven mitt, or layered towels for handling hot cookware. Step 1. Gather necessary materials. This activity uses already sanitized storage containers. See Activity 14 for how to sanitize containers. You'll need a cooking source: camp stove, barbecue grill, propane gas grill, chimenea, or campfire pit. A medium or large-sized pot that can be placed directly on a heat source. A cooking grill grate for cooking on open fires. Fuel: wood, propane, charcoal briquettes, lighter, matches. Kitchen hot pads, thermal oven mitts, kitchen towels or rags. Step 2. Set up and activate heat source. Important safety steps regarding open fires. Only build open fires outdoors and away from structures, trees, dry grass, and shrubbery. Avoid open fires, such as a fire pit, if it's dry, hot, or windy. Use rocks to build a fire ring to contain open fires. Stack available wood, first using tiny pieces, kindling, then adding large pieces. Ignite the kindling to start the fire. If you don't have a grill grate, use a flat rock set on the edge of the fire ring and place your pot on top. Avoid setup in areas where there is heavy foot traffic and especially where children play. Important safety steps regarding camp stoves, barbecue grills, and propane grills. Always ensure your equipment is away from structures, trees, dry grass, and shrubbery. Ensure all connections are secure for propane-fueled stoves and grills. Ensure barbecue and hibachi grills are on level ground and away from heavy foot traffic and especially areas where children play. Tracking time without a clock or a watch. Assuming you don't have a working clock or watch, here are some easy ways to keep track of time for boiling water for 1 minute. Sing Happy Birthday at a normal pace 6 times. Count aloud, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, etc., with each number Mississippi being roughly equivalent to 1 second. You'll need to count Mississippi 60 times to equal 1 minute. Use a kitchen wind-up timer if you have one. Step 3. Bring and keep water boiling. Place the pot of water over the heat source. Use the kitchen hot pads, a thermal oven mitt, kitchen towels, or rags to touch the handles. Bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute for elevations above 6,500 feet. Boil for at least 3 minutes. If you're unsure of your elevation, there's no danger in boiling for longer than 3 minutes. When in doubt, wait it out. Step 4. Cool and store purified water. Carefully remove the pot from the heat and terminate the heat source. Place the pot of water on a steady surface and allow it to cool completely before it can be stored. See Activity 14 for storing water. Distribute purified water into sanitized storage containers. Because boiling removes oxygen from water, it can taste flat. Pour it back and forth between 2 sanitized containers to replace oxygen before sealing.